Hey boys and girls, Mr. D here. In this video we're going to be looking at exponents. We're going to be taking a look at how to simplify exponents, evaluate expressions out of exponents in them. So let's just jump right in. Real simple rule. Keep in mind we're dealing with exponents. When in doubt, expand it out. So take a look here at our first example. We have 4 to the third power, what we say 4 cubed. And just to go back to what we just talked about, when in doubt, expand it out. What we really have here then is 4 times 4 times 4. Okay. So when in doubt, expand it out, it allows me to see everything I've got. And we just multiply these out. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is going to be 64. So 4 cubed is equal to 64. Okay. Take a look at our next example. Now we got negative 4 cubed. Now, with the negative 4 inside the parentheses, that's telling us to cube the negative 4. So, negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. So if you think about it, negative 4 times negative 4, well, this will just give us a positive 16. Then we've got positive 16 times negative 4, positive times negative. That, of course, will give us a negative 64. Take a look at the next example. This one, similar to example 2, but a little bit different. Again, we've got to follow our order of operations. So we've got to do our exponent first before we factor into multiplying by this negative sign. So really what we have here is we got something that would look like this. Right, so technically we have this. So it's 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. And then we take on that negative sign. So this whole thing would equal negative 64. And you may be saying, well, gee, same thing, doesn't make a difference. But, you know, it really would if we had an even power here. And we'll take a look at that one here. If we take a look here, if we had this situation, this is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is 16, and then you take on that negative. And you may say, well, I still don't see any big difference, Mr. D. I'll take a look here. If we do it this way, where the negative 4 is in the parentheses, now it becomes negative 4 times negative 4. Negative times negative, we know is a positive. So see, that would be the difference. Here we have to do the exponent first, then multiply by the negative. Here, when the whole number with the negatives in the parentheses, then that's what gets squared. So we'll take a look here at another example. This one is technically example 4. Evaluate when n equals negative 2. And we'll see a situation of what we were just talking about here. So let's plug in 27 plus 5, and let's rewrite the problem exactly how we see it. Plug in my negative 2. Okay. And notice where the exponent is. Again, our order of operations tells us PEMDAS, so let's start in the parentheses. All right, we start inside these parentheses. This 4 goes on these whole parentheses right here. So this 4 covers these parentheses. So everything inside these parentheses is to the 4th power. So 5 times negative 2, well, that's negative 10. And that is to the 4th power, plus 27. So really what you've got here, this is like 10, well, negative 10 times negative 10 times negative 10. Put those in parentheses so we can see it a little clearer. Maybe one more, we'll put it over here. Negative 10. Okay, so this is all multiplication. 10 times 10 is 100, times another 10 is 1,000. So really we know that we've got 4 zeros here. So we've got 27 plus, and we got 4 zeros, 2, 3, 4. So the question is this going to be negative or positive? Well, it's an even exponent, which tells me it's got to be positive. So our final answer here is 10,027. And so that's pretty much it for our order of operations, our exponents here. Hopefully I was able to help you out a little bit. Remember, when in doubt, expand it out. Here's a cute little cartoon you can take a look at. Here it is expanded out, and here he is simplified it. Okay, hope that helped you guys. See you in class.